አቶ ሶፊያን አህመድ እንደምን አለ? እኔ አንድ ኢትዮጵያዊ ነኝ የማናገርህ። እናንተ ያፈናቅላችኋቸው ኢትዮጵያኖች ዛሬ 23ቱ ታርደዋል። ሊቢያ ውስጥ ታርደዋል። እናንተ ብሬክፋስት ትበላላችሁ።
Excuse me, sir. Can you please come with me?
He's a criminal.
No, excuse me, sir. Can you please come with me?
A genocide criminal.
Excuse me, sir.
Sofian Ahmed.
Excuse me, sir. Can you please
No, he's a criminal.
Excuse me, sir. Please.
Look at him.
Please, I need to ask you to the restaurant.
He's a genocide criminal right here.
Excuse me,
He
sir.
killed
Please.
lots of Ethiopians.
Excuse me, sir. Please.
No.
Excuse me, sir. I have to ask you to leave the restaurant.
Hold on.
No, sir. Sir. Please, sir. I'm really asking you to leave the restaurant, please.
He's a criminal right here.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. He's a genocide criminal.
Excuse me, sir.